Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the file you will save. Name it with a CSS extension so browsers recognize it. Once done, type your initial selectors and properties and include fallback values for older browsers. Make sure to set the file encoding to UTF-8 and choose consistent line endings, because inconsistent endings cause diffs and merge issues. Save immediately with Ctrl+S or Command+S to create the file on disk. This locks in the file name and path for later linking. You now link the CSS to your HTML using a proper link tag in the head, making sure the href path points to the saved file. Next, save and validate. Open DevTools or run a linter to catch missing semicolons, stray braces, or invalid properties. Fix those and save again. Also test your saved file in at least 2 browsers, because rendering differs once you see expected styles. Save a versioned copy or commit to your VCS to preserve this validated state. You finish by preparing the file for production. Optionally minify and save a separate min CSS, and then commit your changes with a descriptive message so you can roll back if needed. Once saved, clear caches or use a hard reload to ensure browsers fetch the newest file. If styles fail to appear, check the file path, server MIME type, caching headers, and network console for 404. Addressing that single issue usually restores styling quickly. Then save and confirm one last time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.